Have you ever planned a vacation without knowing number of days of travel? Have you ever left for office without knowing your time of return? Have you ever left your child at school without knowing what time they leave? Time, my friends, is a very important component of every decision we make. Then why do we forget time while investing in mutual funds? Hi friends, this is Rushabh Shah, founder of Midas Finance, and today we are going to understand importance of time while investing in mutual funds. Have you heard of the famous quote, time in the market is more important than timing the market? What is the importance of time? How does time help in our investment decisions? These are the three ways how time plays a vital role in our investments. First, time helps to reduce risk. If you're investing in mutual funds for a longer tenure, time helps to reduce risk of investment in equity mutual funds. Time helps to reduce volatility. If you're investing in mutual funds for a longer tenure, volatility of your portfolio reduces to a great extent. Third, time helps in compounding. Have you heard the famous quote from Albert Einstein that compounding is the eighth wonder of the world? Well, time helps us in compounding while investing for a longer tenure. These three reasons makes time the most important component of decision making while investing. तो अभी जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट करने जाओ तब ये नहीं पूछना कि कितना रिटर्न मिलेगा, पर ये जरूर पूछना कि कितने समय के लिए इन्वेस्ट करना है. टू नो मोर अबाउट म्यूचुअल फंड्स, प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.